That's a giant. That's a giant. Oh.
What's up, everybody? So I'm about to go hit the pond up, and I'm just gonna give you a little rundown of what I'm gonna be throwing, at least at first. Hopefully I don't have to change lures because that gets annoying, but we'll see. But this is what we got going on. So we got Chatter Donk right here with a little crack and crawl trailer. I don't know what color this is. It's like a watermelon seed with an orange belly on it. And then we got my favorite here, the Mondo worm. It's like a 10-inch. It's like a 10-inch worm. Love this thing, man. Love this color too. It's the plum color. It's like a purple with a green flake, and it's about an 1/8 ounce, I think, 1/8 ounce bullet weight. And then right here we got the Nico rig, which is pretty much just a wacky rig, and then you peg the front of that bait, and this one's got these little frilly things. So we'll see what's going on. I got my wife tied up with a little shaky head with a finesse worm. I actually got this little finesse worm in my Monster Backs box, and I actually did an unboxing video. I'll pop that up right here in the corner of the screen. You can check that out. But anyways, let's get out there.
Got one. I think we're gonna have to go somewhere else. Oh, that's a good one. Oh. Whoo, baby. First one of the day right there. Barely had him hooked too. Barely had him hooked. First one of the day right there. Get this guy back. Oh, he came off. I got one. Oh, he came off. He ate my worm. Ate my worm. Alright, let's get another one hooked up. No, I said let's get another one hooked up. Just talking to the camera. Mondo worm, the June bug. It's the June bug color. I thought it was the plum. It's the June bug. It is. It's purple with green flake. They're eating it. The 5/0 hook with the screw lock. It's the same exact thing I caught my PB on. So I posted a video of that. I'll link it down in the description below. I can't get it started. It's very salty. Let's go. All right, babe. This is pond number 3. Well, it's not pond number 3, but it's the 3rd spot. It's the same pond I just caught the one fish at. But we're on the other side of it. See if there's anything hiding over here. Oh, had one. Got off. He got off. He munched it too. Tore this mondo worm. Tore it. Look, you can see he almost didn't. He barely ate it enough. He ate it right before the hook point. There we go. That's a fish on, baby. There's a fish on. Oh, he came undone. Don't go. Don't go. Oh, that's number 2 of the day. Not too bad. Little dink. Ow. Broke my ankle. This little one's feisty. That's number 3. Oh, he came off. Alright, let's get out of here. Watch for alligators. See that pipe right there? Oh, that was a baby alligator right there.
No.
Swear to God.
Where?
It was right there.
No.
I swear to God, babe.
No.
Yeah. Yes. You know what a baby alligator looks like. Is that an alligator right there? Is that just something on the... Look, right there. That's a baby alligator, baby. Right there. You see him? Yes, teeny tiny. That is a baby alligator. Yes, he just dunked his head. So keep your eye out for mama gator.
Wait, did that move?
Yep. Oh, what is that? That's big. That's a giant. That's a giant. Oh, yeah, that's a giant. That's a giant. Oh, that's a giant. I need get my scale out. That's a giant, babe. Oh no, you son of a bitch. Oh my god. Oh, he's deformed. Look at his tail. Oh my god. Give me, bring the other camera over here. Get some footage of me. That's what I'm talking about. Giant right there. Giant. Look at it. He's a good 3.5 pounds. He's a good 3.5 pounds. No way. 2.6? That's it. Ah, that's a big fish. Let's come back. He was right on that pole, man. That's crazy.
Alright guys, we just made it back to the house and we ended up going to 3 different ponds. Caught fish at 2 of the ponds. The first pond we went to, we didn't catch anything. I don't even think there's fish in there. We didn't see any kind of activity or anything, so it was a bust. But the second one we went to was pretty good. It was a little neighborhood pond, not too far from here. Caught one decent one, and then I got a pretty good bite. He got off. I saw him roll his belly. I saw his belly in the water right whenever he got off. Then we went to the other side of that same pond, and I caught one, and another one I got off. And then we decided to go try one more spot, and my first cast literally reeled in that big one that you just saw. But anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. That's it. I'm out of here.